In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MACD BB indicator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market and any time frame will work, so just pick the chart you want to analyze. Once your chart is up on the screen, we're going to start by opening the indicator menu. At the top of the chart, look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the time frames and other toolbar options. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open a new window or panel where you can search through all the available tools and scripts inside TradingView. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box, often at the very top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This is where you'll look up the MACD BB indicator. Type in MACD carefully and give it a second to load the results. TradingView will scan its built-in indicators and community scripts and then show you anything that matches what you typed. When you see the MACD BB indicator appear in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do that, TradingView will automatically add it to your current chart. You should now see the MACD style indicator appear, usually in a separate panel below your price chart, with Bollinger Bands and signals built into it. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that you're on the correct chart and that the indicator was actually selected. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name on the chart and click the settings icon to adjust things like colors, line thickness, and, depending on the script, some of the calculation inputs. Take a moment to tweak the visuals so they're easy for you to read, especially if you're using a dark or light theme. If you want to unlock the full TradingView Pro experience while using this indicator, including more indicator slots and better chart layouts, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. That link will take you straight to the TradingView Pro sign-up page, and it's a simple way to support the channel at no extra cost to you. Once everything is set, spend a little time watching how the MACD BB reacts to price movement, so you can get comfortable with its signals before you rely on it in live trading.